chapter? The first topic is basic block diagram of an AM transmitter. AM transmitter. Basic block diagram of AM transmitter. In this basic block diagram of transmitter, there are some blocks. First block is, let me know the carrying oscillator. Next block is RF amplifier. Next block is amplitude modulation. Next block is power amplifier. And next block is audio amplifier. Next one is microphone. These are the blocks consisting in this AM transmitter. So its main aim is to transmit the AM wave. Okay. First of all, the carrier oscillator is produce the carrier wave. This is the carrier wave. Carrier wave produced by the carrier oscillator. This oscillator is used to produce the carrier wave. This carrier wave is applied to the RF amplifier as a input. Okay, the output of the oscillator of the carrier oscillator is applied to the RF amplifier. Then this RF amplifier, by taking the input from the carrier oscillator, it will produce again carrier with along with the radio frequency. Radio frequency. It is simply the carrier wave output of the oscillator. Now it is mixed with the radio frequency. Radio frequency amplifier. Now the radio frequency amplifier is produced as a output the carrier wave along with the radio frequency. That is means the output of the RF amplifier again applied to the amplitude modulator. Modulator is used to produce the modulating wave. You try to observe this wave is the modulated wave. Modulated wave. Okay, modulated wave. Amplitude modulator is used to produce the modulated wave. Right? The output of the modulated wave is applied to the power amplifier. Power amplifier. Before going to the power amplifier, now let us go to the microphone. Microphone. Microphone also produced a wave, carrier wave. Carrier wave. This carrier wave is applied to the audio amplifier, where the audio frequency mixed with the microphone output of the carrier wave. This output of the audio amplifier is the same like the carrier wave, which is applied to the amplitude modulator. Now it is able to produce the amplitude modulation or amplitude modulated wave or modulated wave. Combined, this modulated wave is applied to the power amplifier, which is connected to the antenna. Now you can produce, and there the output is completely AM wave. Completely AM wave. So this AM wave is used to transmit to the required field or required transmitter. So like that, this AM transmitter is used to transmit the AM wave. That also completely, Japanese, what is this? Completely AM wave, amplitude modulated wave. For that, directly it is not produced. So that from the carrier wave to the RF amplifier to the modulator to the modulator again microphone output, and microphone output to the audio amplifier. Then it is applied to the power amplifier. Now the power amplifier is producing the complete AM wave. Finish.